Sound of I.
Hello kids, welcome to our channel Kindergarten Classes. After learning vowel E, we are going to learn three-letter words related to vowel I. The sound of I is E. Let's start. P, E, pin, Z, E, P, zip, D, E, G, dig, f, e, fin, l, e, d, lid, b, e, bin, p, e, t, pit, b, e, b, bib, p, e, g, pig, s, e, sin, e, b, nib, f, e, g, fig, w, e, g, wig, t, e, p, tip. Kids, we have learned three-letter words of vowel I. Keep it in your mind and do practice.